Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can use the warp tool in Photoshop. So this is a great feature if you ever want to arch text so it's not on a straight path. So to do so, what we need to do is grab the type tool and just simply write out some text. So we'll just use Creative Nerds for the purpose of the tutorial, where you can write whatever you want. So once we've written out our text, we're going to select that particular layer, and then we're going to head over to type, and then you'll notice there's an option called warp text, and then it will come up with a drop down where we can choose what style we want. So there's various styles available to choose from. So we could arch text, we can make it wave, fisheye. There's a range of great effects which you can use to arch your text and warp it around. So the one that we're going to go, because it works quite well, is the fish. I think that looks pretty cool. So once you're happy with it, you can increase the bend if you want. Once you're happy with the bend, you then select OK, and that's how you warp text within Photoshop. So it's really quick and easy, and it's one that you'll use time and time again when working on designs in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for the quick tips on how to use Photoshop.